Electronic warfare is changing the rules of modern combat. GPS jamming, radio interference, and active anti-drone systems are rendering traditional UAVs ineffective. But Cinder, an advanced autonomous strike drone developed by Dragoon and Teledyne FLIR as part of Project Artemis, is built to survive and operate in exactly these denied environments. Unlike conventional drones that depend heavily on satellite navigation and continuous communication with an operator, Cinder is designed for true independence. When GPS is blocked or radio signals are jammed, most drones become blind and helpless. Cinder doesn't. Its autonomy is powered by a combination of optical navigation, thermal imaging, and artificial intelligence. At the core of its system are Teledyne FLIR's proprietary technologies, Prism Supervisor and Prism SKR, pronounced Seeker. These software modules give the drone the ability to understand its environment, make decisions mid-flight, and adapt its mission in real time. Even if communication is lost, Cinder can recalculate its route and reassign itself new objectives based on changing battlefield conditions, like a repositioned tank or an unexpected target. Prism SKR uses a built-in FLIR boson thermal camera to identify heat signatures, allowing Cinder to detect and classify real threats with remarkable accuracy. It can distinguish between tank models like the T-62, T-72, T-80, or T-90, analyze their vulnerabilities, and strike precisely where it matters most, often from the rear, where armor is weakest. This makes Cinder fundamentally different from typical loitering munitions. It doesn't just fly and detonate. It evaluates, avoids decoys, selects the best strike angle, and executes with precision. Compared to platforms like the Russian Lancet drone, which usually strike targets head-on with limited discrimination, Cinder represents a leap in targeting intelligence and effectiveness. Cinder is built to operate where other drones fail, without GPS, without radio, and without human intervention. It brings a new level of precision and survivability to modern warfare, designed for tomorrow's battlefield challenges.